Do you ever fear that you might stop breathing because your chest feels tight and you're breathing erratic? Do you fear the idea of getting stuck in traffic or on a bridge or at red lights when you drive? Have you struggled with anxious thoughts that will not stop? Do you ever feel uncomfortable in enclosed spaces such as supermarkets, cinemas, or public transport? If you answered yes to any one of these questions, then you might be dealing with an anxiety disorder. A new program has been developed by Barry Joe McDonough that will save you from any panic attack or anxiety attack ever again. The anticipation of a panic attack starts the wave cycle of anxiety in motion. Most people who have been dealing with anxiety disorders have been trying to get solutions from books, courses, and treatment programs that simply don't work. Most of them end up feeling skeptical of any other treatment which could actually work. A simple technique known as the One Move could restore your former carefree self. It doesn't rely on an outdated anxiety technique such as deep breathing, positive affirmation, or distraction. It takes seconds to implement wherever you are. This technique is not hypnosis. It is an advanced cognitive technique born from traditional psychology that everyone can apply. What Panic Away does is give people the ability to immediately stop fearing another panic attack. Panic Away teaches a technique that allows that person to break the cycle of anxiety and return to normal everyday living. Now, the sucker punch. If you purchase Panic Away today, you will be entitled to 4 free bonuses that are originally priced at a total of $222. If you act now, you will get the Panic Away system plus the 4 bonuses for only $67.95. If you want proof that it is for real, you can go to www